Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Car Addict. It's official. The Civic is knocking. Listen to this. Son of a bitch, man. I cannot believe this is happening. Damn. Oh, hold up, wait a second. Gotcha. Now, if I got you, you should have been able to tell that that was not the Civic. For one, my Civic would never be that dirty under the hood. Two, it just doesn't look like a Civic. But, if I did get you, happy late April Fool's Day. And it's a better trick when it's not the first, because then you think, well, yesterday was April Fool's, maybe this is real. And, maybe the whole time in the last 5 months I've ever mentioned this car knocking, maybe it was an entire, gigantic, elaborate plan for this April Fool's joke. By the way, it wasn't. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. But if you see out there, I do got the cherry picker. Auto to manual swap, anybody?